Hello, hello, cheeky studio fans. So I have received my Cheeky Studio package for the month of June, which is actually going to be my last month, unfortunately, on the design team. I just decided not to continue on because even though I absolutely love and adore Tuesday's design team and her shop and her designs, they're amazing, I don't know. I feel like it's too much. I mean, it's not too much. I probably will still buy her products and use her products on my layouts and things. It's just being on the design team and working as well as my other design teams is just kind of crazy. So I decided to step down after June. So I wanted to get on and share my June design team package that she sent me. And I'm super duper 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 so excited to share this with you. So I had asked her, or she was asking for suggestions, I think, for kits and ephemera pack ideas and stuff. And so I asked, I think I was one of the ladies that asked for a birthday collection. Because I'm pretty sure I asked her. I don't know. Maybe I didn't ask her. Maybe somebody else did. But I have been wanting a birthday collection for a while, and boy did she deliver. Oh my gosh. I'm so super excited. So she has a huge collection here, and she sent a little note kind of explaining how it works. So I thought I would kind of read the note first, so that you guys understood. So this is the ephemera pack, and you can buy the ephemera pack. I believe it's $5.99. I will figure out the pricing and everything and have that in the description below. Then you can also buy, I think this is the frames. I think it's called Florals and Frames. And you can buy this separately as well. Then you can buy these digital downloads. Now, this is where your supplies are going to differ from mine. Since I'm on the design team, she actually printed these out and sent them to us as a design team. So if you buy these products, the 5x7 cut apart sheets, that's what they're called, in the Wishes collection. So it's called Wishes Cut Aparts. So this is just Wishes Cut Aparts for the banners, Wishes Cut Aparts labels, and Wishes Cut Aparts circles. So these will be 99 cents each, and they are a digital download. So you have to download this from her store after you purchase it, and then you print it off on your own and you cut it out on your own. I am going to try to use my Silhouette Pick Scan mat. It's been a while since I've used it, and I wasn't very good at like taking the photos and then using it. I don't know if it was because my software wasn't updated or something, but I have since updated my software since getting my Pick Scan mat. So I am going to try to cut these out with my Pick Scan mat and hope that it works. But aren't these just absolutely adorable? I mean, just look at that. It's perfect. And I love this kind of, it's like a purpley blue and the mint and the pink together, and then a dark gray and a light gray. Just so gorgeous. Then we have, so that one is called the Wishes Cut Aparts, and that is banners. Then we have the Wishes Cut Aparts labels, and this one is just some very simple labels. Some of them have little sayings: hooray for birthdays, your big day, make a wish, wishes do come true, happy birthday. And then some of them have little, I don't know if you guys can see that, little presents on them, or this one has cute little flowers and a leaf. So that is super cute. And that one would be easy to cut out if you don't have a Silhouette or anything like that with a Pick Scan mat. These two would really be super easy to just cut out with scissors or a trimmer or anything like that. Then, last but not least, this is the Wishes Cut Apart Circles, and I think this is what I am most excited about. Like, I wish she would have had like a million of these. Seriously. I'm crazy about circles right now. I'm really loving playing with circles and flare badges and things like that. So these will be nice to have my pick scan mat, and I'll show you the results. I might come back after this video and show you the results after I get all of these cut with my pick scan mat, just kind of depending on how it goes and when I get it done, because this month has been crazy. So if I get it done before June starts, then yeah, I will go ahead and put it at the end of the video. Okay, then you can also get the flare badges. And these are super stinking cute. Wish, a present, feathers, a star, and a cute little birthday hat. Look at that. Isn't that just so stinking cute? Stinking cute. Okay. So that is the flare badges that you can buy. She also has a sequin mix. So this is what the sequin mix looks like. Got pinks and blues and purples and mint green in there. It's just so pretty. She also has these pretty little bows, and they are a purple gingham, and they're absolutely adorable. Okay, so this is the Wishes accessory pack. And they are just 2x2 squares, which is a fun little size to kind of include on your layouts and project life and things like that. So this one says best wishes, never too old to wish. I love that. You are my wish come true. Okay, maybe if I can separate this. She has them on really good quality paper. Wishing you the best. Wishes do come true. I really love the cute little gems and the lines coming off of them. I think that's such a cute little touch. Warmest wishes. Best wishes to you. Wishing you a happy birthday. Sweet wishes. That one's really cute. I like that. Wish, wish, and wish. I wish nothing but the best for you. So those are cute little 2x2 squares that I'll incorporate into a layout or a pocket page probably. Next, let's move on to the ephemera. So this is called Wishes Ephemera, and it looks so amazing. I'm so super excited to use this collection. I've got a little hat in here that doesn't want to come out. Okay, so there's a hat, a pretty little banner. I love the colors purple and kind of like a peachy pink. So there's a couple of those, and there's some flowers, some different types of flowers, a cute little deer, and a, oh my gosh, look at this. I have to hold this one up close for you guys to see. Isn't that so stinking cute? And I apologize about the noise. Of course, today, the day that I have time to record this, my neighbor is having her roof replaced. So, of course, that would happen. Okay, so let's see. So she's got some leaves going on here. These are really pretty leaves. Let's see. Nice. Really, really pretty. I love the green color. Oh, a cute little balloon and a feather. Some more balloons. So she's got a couple different sizes of balloons. Oh my gosh, this one. Stinking amazing and cute and just, holy cow, look at that. Isn't that just adorable? Oh my goodness. Okay, So that is a cute little elephant. Then another hat and a couple of roses. Those are really pretty. Some more leaves. I really like that leaf. That's really pretty looking. And here's some more feathers and flowers and another banner. And then it looks like another flower and some more feathers. And here's another flower. Let's see, another flower. Whoops. And more feathers. Just so much prettiness. Oh my goodness. Okay, then here's another leaf. And then seriously, look at that stinking cute raccoon. Oh my goodness. And then this is like really cute for like a journaling spot or, you know, a title or something like that. Then here's another present and some more leaves and another present and a rose and some more flowers and feathers. Oh, I think I already showed you guys those. I was gonna just start showing you more, or the same things. Silly me. Okay, then we've got, oh, this one is super cute. The little elephant with some flowers and feathers and green leaves. That's cute. And then we've got two different banners going on here. Well, actually three. Three banners here. Then, let's see, we've got a cute little raccoon family. Oh my goodness, isn't that stinking cute? And then a cute little raccoon. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that's just so cute. So that's the ephemera. I'm gonna just kind of scoot that out of the way. I'm getting all sorts of messages right now, of course, when I'm trying to actually record and I can't take a break. So this one, again, is called Wishes, Frames, and Florals. And oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. That is just too cute. So that's really, really pretty. I love that. And then here's a nice, pretty kind of lilac frame. It's kind of gray, but kind of purple too. Here's a nice little journaling piece. And that one is super duper pretty. Here's another frame. This one's just a plain frame like this other gray one. Ooh, and look at that one. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, let's try. So here's another journaling piece. And here's a frame. This one has a little section in the middle filled in. I love that. Oh my goodness. And then here is a pretty little ephemera piece. Here's another gray one with a banner. Here's a couple purple ones with feathers or leaves on them. Oh my gosh, these are just gorgeous. They're like too pretty to use. Here's some labels that would be fun to use in layering. And then, oh my goodness, super cute. Look at that bird and that little deer, just way too cute. And then a bunch of flowers. Oh my goodness, these are just gorgeous. Tuesday, you totally knocked this out of the park. Look at that, just gorgeous. Okay, so that's some of the flowers. I'll kind of put them out so you can see them a little bit better. And then here's some more. So I think you get 2 copies of each of these little flower clusters. And then here's another label, and that one's super cute. I really love that. So that is my design team package for the month of June. I will be playing with birthday photos, and I just had a birthday, so this will work perfect because it is a little bit more on the girly side. But I think I'm also going to try to show you how you can scrapbook it using your kids, your boys, your very, very boyish boys. So I am going to go ahead and sign off real quick. I will be back in a couple weeks. I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to put it in here with this Midnight Florals collection. Tuesday sends us so much every single month. She sends us at least one collection a month, usually two, depending on how full the collection is. And so this month she sent us a lot of stuff for this Wishes collection. So usually I have to double up because I don't even use it all before the month is up, because she has so much stuff packed into her kits. Okay, so I'll put this in here with this. And also I will put the 2x2s in there. And then I think I'm going to sit down right now and cut these out, and I will be back to show you how they turn out. So hold on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I finally figured out my pick scan mat, and I don't know if it was really worth the 45 minutes I spent trying to calibrate it and get all of these images traced and everything. I had a hard time with the trace feature, so I think, and I don't think that's Silhouette's fault. I think that's probably just my own fault, because I just get so frustrated and I'm like, okay, this needs to be done now. So something that should have taken like 10 minutes really took like 45 minutes. So just totally wasted almost a whole hour, which is sad, but oh well. Here are the rectangle pieces. They cut out pretty good. Now I did place them on like the circles. I placed them on each one of these individually, and I didn't do the trace feature because there were words inside of it and it kept picking up the words, and I didn't want it to cut out the words separately. So I decided to just do it one circle by one circle, and then I placed it over the shape. So that could be the reason why. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a little bit of white showing on a few of these, but it's really not that bad. It's worse on these, and I think that's because I did a worse job at selecting the area, and it's not going to focus, but you can kind of see that there's a little bit of white on there. But that is my first attempt at using my Silhouette pick scan mat, and it was okay. I probably won't really use it that much. Thankfully it's only like $10. I don't even remember how much it cost me because I bought it forever ago and I have only used it. This is my second time using it, and it worked much better this time. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my photos and start getting to work on my first cheeky layout for June. So I will see you guys again soon. Bye. Totally wasted